Are you dreaming of starting your own business? Or maybe you have already started but not really sure how to make it profitable. You've got a vision and I've got the roadmap to make it happen. Let's turn your passion into profit and build the business you've always dreamed of. Hi, I'm Gabby, a marketer with 14 years of experience helping entrepreneurs like you build thriving businesses from the ground up. This channel is here to guide you through every step of building a business with insider tips, real-world strategies, and expert advice. So what's in it for you? On this channel, you'll get access to step-by-step guides for turning your idea into a thriving small business, tips to build a brand that stands out, marketing and sales strategies to attract your dream customers, and advice on navigating the nitty-gritty of business registration and compliance. I bring in some of the best experts, marketing pros, sales strategists, finance gurus, and more to give you practical tools and insights that you can use right away. This is your one-stop channel for learning how to take your business from scratch to success. It's time to turn your passion into profit. Subscribe now and don't miss a single tip or strategy that could take your business to the next level. Let's build your dream business together. See you in the next video.